Welcome back, my esteemed viewers. Today's video will be about another Google application another Google application which is called Google Google Translate. Yeah, Google Translate is also a very quite handy application. Google Translate helps you to change. Okay, it changes. It helps you to translate just as you are hearing it. It helps you to change a given language or a given text in a given language into another language that you select. Yes, you can also upload files. Let me say if it's a Word document in a given language and you want it to be translated into another language that you may understand better. In case you have an image having words that you do not understand and you want them to be translated, can also help you with that. It also has the feature of you actually speaking in a given language and it replies to you in another. It's also possible, as we are going to see. So you can just easily access it from your Google Chrome website or browser. Yes, so yeah, this is how it looks. Google Translate. That's how you have your interface. Yes, as I said, yeah, you can simply the tab on your left is where you type your text in that language you want to, the original language. Then the tab on the right is the translation, it's where the feedback or the translation comes. Yes, as you can see, I have this drop down button which can give you a variety of very many languages in the world. Actually, some local languages, actually there's Luo, there's Luganda, there is actually those are Ugandan, there's Acholi, those are Ugandan ethnicity languages. So you can decide for you want to turn your translate to translate to. Let me say let me say let me say to Spanish, and you say hello, that is hola. Actually, you can actually even click on the decide to click on this star dialectical button. It can actually pronounce for you how the pronunciations are done. For example, in English, both actually in English and in the translated language. So that is in English. Then in Spanish,
Hola,
in Spanish,
hola.
so you can try something like
Can I be your friend?
that is in English. Then in Spanish,
Puedo ser tu amiga.
that is feminine. Then for masculine,
Puedo ser tu amigo. Puedo ser tu amiga. Puedo ser tu amigo.
yes. So let me actually translate something I've always wanted to do from Spanish to English. Oh, that one is the same. Okay, let me try this one. So you do not.
Mr. Barker.
Oh, this okay. They just remain. Okay, maybe. Yes. So as I got carried away. So you can also add the images by dragging and drop there. You can add the documents by dragging and dropping there, or you browse. Actually, you can actually browse even the side. Yeah, even websites. Yeah. So that is about it for Google Translate. There's not so much about it. Thank you for staying with me up to this point in time. I want to say goodbye to you. See you in the next video.